reading time. Ali.
Okay. Little Rabbit and his mother were sitting under a big red flower. Look, said Little Rabbit. It stopped. It's raining. Yes, said Mama Rabbit. Soon we'll see a rainbow. What makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Why don't you ask your friends? Said Mouse. Ladybug, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Red said. Ladybug gently closing her red wings. You need red to make a rainbow. Mr. Fox, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Orange, said Mr. Fox. Swinging his orange tail, you need orange to make a rainbow. Little chick, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Yellow, said Little chick, fanning her soft yellow muslin. You need yellow to make a rainbow. Mr. Grasshopper, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Green, said Mr. Grasshopper, rubbing his long green legs together. You need green to make a rainbow. Bluebird, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Blue, said Bluebird, fanning her pretty blue feathers. You need blue to make a rainbow.